This video is designed to show you how to use Scribe, which is a Chrome extension located in the upper right of your Chrome browser. This will allow you to create works cited and references pages. So the first thing that you're going to do is find a source. So I can use a research database if I wish. I'm actually going to use a Gale Group source because Gale Group and ABC Clio work the best with Scribe. It doesn't mean that you can't put other sources in there, but these happen to work the best. So I'm going to look for Renaissance Sports and click on search. And then I'm going to find an article. So this one is about tournaments in the Renaissance, and I'm going to click on that and say that I was going to use this in my works cited. I'm going to go ahead and click on the S up here. It's a white S in a red box for Scribe toolbar. And then I'm going to wait a couple seconds. The toolbar is loading down here. And right here, it is trying to get the citation from Gale Group. When this turns into a check mark, it says that it saved it in the toolbar. You can think of the toolbar as like a box for the citation itself. So that is done. I'm now going to go and use a website. So this is a website from National Geographic on a sport that was used and basically became the modern sport of soccer, and it's called Calico Storico. And so from here, I'm going to click on the Scribe toolbar. And with all websites, there is something that you really need to do after it loads up. So after it loads up, it's going to give me the check mark as soon as it's done. And maybe it's actually in there right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the citation information right here, okay, where it says edit citation, there's little quotation marks. And this is what my citation looks like. Okay, this is what it would look like if I just took it and copied it and pasted it. Notice that there is no author listed, okay, and there's no issue date. That's a problem because there actually is an author and an issue date for this article. So I'm just going to scroll down here. I see the author's name is Daniel Stone. Okay, so I'm going to put his name in there. Stone. And you can skip publisher unless it's a university. And issued, you're going to put it in just like the access date. So this one is 2017 dash July, which would be 07 dash 23. And you can see if you click up here, now my citation is changed. Okay, it's totally different. But this is what it should look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these citations into my Google Doc. I have the Google Docs open right here. I'm going to click on the plus symbol to create a new blank document. I'm going to wait for this to load up. It's taking a little time here. And I'm going to call this my Renaissance Sports paper. Okay. Then I'm going to go to add-ons, Scribe Writer, and start. Okay, notice I didn't go and click on the Scribe icon. That would be if I was actually going to be citing the Google Doc, which I'm not doing. What I'm doing is putting the citations into my paper. So I'm going to wait for that to load up. It's creating the bibliography. And I'm going to have my two citations right here. So then I'm going to click on the plus symbol, and it's going to start my works cited, which is down here. Then I'm going to click on this plus symbol up here, and now it's going to add it in down here. This is by far the easiest way to put in your works cited. I have other videos if you're interested in specific tips on using APA style, registering for Scribe, or adding citations in after pasting citations in after you've created this.